After seeing how you can do e-invoice cancellation in AutoCount, I will show you how can you do credit note in AutoCount. Let's say if the situation happens already past 72 hours, you are no longer able to perform cancellation. We will have to do a credit note to reverse the invoice. First, go to Sales Credit Note and click down arrow beside New. Click Copy from Invoice and choose the invoice that you want to do credit note. And then click on Copy. You can see our e-invoice number here. It will automatically capture the invoice number from previously. We can click Approve and Send. The e-invoice status will become valid. After it is validated, let us check in our My Invoice portal again. You can see the credit note is also submitted to LHDN. You can check the original invoice reference number as well. So according to the guideline, actually we need to provide the UUID. But if you are using AutoCount when you perform the transfer, we will automatically capture the UUID of what document you actually transfer from. So in here, you can see it also linked back to the invoice that was submitted previously. So this is how you can perform a credit note in AutoCount and submit the e-invoice for the credit note.